Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix BattleBit Remastered no audio or sound not working issues. Right, so the first thing what you need to do here, you need to look for your sound icon and right click on it and then go to sound settings. And here you need to, on output, make sure that you're using the right basically output that you basically having the sound with. For me is my headphones. It's the right here, and also make sure that here is the right amount of sound here, 50, 60 or more. And then you need to scroll down until you see all sound devices here, and you need to press on that. And not here, you need to go to more sound settings, and then be sure to be on the playback. And then you should see your default basically output device. You need to go to properties, make sure levels are okay here, make sure that it's not on mute, and then go to advanced, make sure exclusive mode, allow applications to take exclusive control of this device is enabled, and give exclusive mode applications priority is enabled as well. And also then you need to test it out here from CD to DVD. So you just need to select CD quality, press apply OK, and test it out if it works for you or not. And then you need to select DVD, and then you need to select basically test it out if it's working for you or not, and then select studio quality, right? And then look if the problem's solved or not. And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here is to go to volume mixer and then run the game, and make sure that your device have your game BattleBit Remastered has is sound here is not on low sound, as well is not on mute. So for example, sometimes it can be your game is basically this mute icon, so what you need to do here is to make sure that it's not on mute, and also your output and input device is on default or the ones you know. Right, and if the problem persists here, then another thing that you need to do here is to go to troubleshoot common sound problems, and then select output devices. And here you just need to, as you can see here, you will get tips here how you can fix that. And also you can go to device manager, and then you need to go to as you can see here, audio inputs and outputs, and make sure to update your devices here, right? And it should fix your problem, right? So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.